So basically, whether you picked the online simulator or you built your project at home, I'm going to try to double screen this. You're going to be filling out this data sheet. So the first thing you're going to do is launch the projectile 10 times at a fixed 30-degree angle. So here's the data sheet that you have taped in, and you'll measure that range. So if you did it with your own one that you built, if you didn't build one, then you'll just mark that at 30 and launch that 10 times. Okay. You will record the measured meters. Okay. It doesn't matter if it hits this or not. I'll show you. You'll launch it 65, and then if that was 30, I would get where it landed, and that would be 25.2. So I would put 25.2. Again, it's 30 degrees. So then you'll take that and get the average range, which is X, the X value, which is here. G is just gravity, 9.8. Hopefully you have a graphing calculator at home. If not, there's some online ones. And you will calculate this initial velocity. Please show your work right here, and you'll get the initial velocity with this equation. Once you do that, you'll get the components. So the components are just using trig. So there's your initial velocity, your X, and your Y. This is the hypotenuse. This is your adjacent. So that would use cosine. If you're using for the Y, would be sine, the opposite over the hypotenuse. I will have an optional Google meeting probably Thursday. Then what you're going to do is calculate the ranges. Please show your work. You use the initial velocity, the angle. The first one's 0, so it's not going to go anywhere, 0. The next one is 10 degrees. The next one is 20. The next one's 30. Again, you'll be calculating where you think it's going to go. The initial velocity is what you calculated up here. Then what you're going to do is determine the actual, what actually happened. So we'll actually put these in the different angles. You'll change the angles here. You can put your velocity in here, and actually what do you get? Oh, and I lost that. So again, whether you're doing it on the simulator or with the non-simulator, it doesn't matter. The next video I will show you is to create an Excel graph. So get your data first, and then we'll work on the graph. Have fun too. That's very important.